Hi guys, good day. For our today's Bible reflection, we have here 1 Corinthians verse 10, chapter 31. So wherever you eat or drink or whatever you do, you should do it all for God's glory. So for me, in our lives, this is just my opinion. Always thank God in every actions that we do, whether it is work, business, or interactions with other people. Because God is love. When we love our neighbor, we are doing His will. This is your friend for your reflection, Pomperada. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next uh, Bible reflection. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.